Sit on your bottom.
Sit on your bottom, Kate. No. Whee! Somersault!
Keep trying. Keep trying.
Don't hurt yourself. Are you okay? There you go.
Who taught you this anyway?
Whoa, right under the pillows. Good
She's still
catch.
smiling. We're okay.
Good catch, Kate.
Real evidence for Health and Human Services.
Oh, we're just fine. Woo, good one. Our little acrobat. Either that or when she enters the Olympics in, 10, 15 years, it'll be like, look, she was doing it then.
Maybe you can be a Chinese acrobat? Wow.
You okay?